All right, the bait of the day is fish bites and dead shrimp. Going with the clam flavored fish bites. Shows you how to use it. Memorial Day 2024, we're in Fernandina Beach. There's the Fernandina Beach Pier right there. This is what we're going for right here. See if I can cast that without hitting the paddle border. Oh, we got fish on here. This thing just got hammered. Not sure what's on here. Doesn't feel big if there is anything still on there or not. Oh yeah, we got something. I know the whiting. We caught like 3 whiting already today. Yep, another whiting. It's actually a decent sized whiting. It's like the 3rd one we've caught today. They're all about the same size. There he goes. Off to see another day. I'm gonna rebait here. I noticed that this one lost its fish bite, so I grabbed another piece for that. They don't stay on there all the time, but they usually stay on there pretty good. There's like a fabric mesh inside of the strip. You can see it or not, but there's like a fabric layer woven between these pieces of bait to keep it on the hook. It kind of expands a little bit as it's in the water, softens up a bit. So target species is actually pompano right now, but we're getting inundated with the whiting. But this is the bait set up, just a piece of dead shrimp on there with a piece of clam flavored fish bites. Nothing too fancy here. Just feed this on the hook, as long as it doesn't fall off. Tide is coming in. Really don't need to cast out all that far. I'm just kind of walking to where the first set of breakers are at and casting over the sandbar. Basically, you just want to make sure that you cast past the set that are breaking back there so that it's beyond the breakers. Or if it was really, really high tide, you could be between the breakers, the inside and the outside break. Just gonna wheel it out there. Just past the breakers there. Yep, that's where we want it. And it hasn't taken long for the bite before. They were biting it pretty quickly. These whiting are hungry today. Hoping for a pompano though. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Alright, finally got something here. And the battery's dying on the camera. What do you know? Whiting. You see? Well, that was a good bite. About pulled the dang rod out of the rod holder. As you can see, that mesh I talked about before in the fish bites, this is what it looks like. So as the fish bite starts to wear away, you just left with the mesh. I'll leave it on there until it gets completely gone. But that's how it works. It starts to disintegrate in the water, but it's pretty slow. It doesn't go pretty fast. All right, let's get it back out there and see if we can't catch another. Got 2 on this rod and 3 on the other rod down to my left. Really wanted pompano, but they're not biting. At least not right where I'm at. The guy at the bait shop said the pompano bite's been really good at American Beach, but we're kind of just in the Fernandina Beach Pier area. Let's see what we can get with that one. There he is. Oh, no, that's just like a
little grunt.
I think that's a whiting, or is that a whiting?
No, it's not whiting. It's a grunt.
We've caught like 5 whiting, I think now, but it's first croaker.
Yep.
Cool. Oop. Back in the water. All right, little guy. There he goes. Right back into the surf. I don't know, we'll find out. Can't tell. Yeah, another whiting. What do you know? It's just a day for whiting. This is what, number 6? Feel like it's still on there? Keep reeling. The weight kind of tricks you sometimes, makes you think there is a fish, but it definitely was bopping around when you walked right by it. Keep reeling. Oh my God. I swear there was a fish on there.